Chavaleh. I don't understand what is happening today. Everything is all a blur. All I can see is a happy child. What a sweet little bird you were, Chavaleh, Chavaleh. Little bird, little Chavaleh, you were always such a pretty little thing, everybody's favorite child. Gentle and kind and affectionate, what a sweet little bird you were, Chavaleh, Chavaleh.
Papa. Papa, please at least listen to me, Papa. Papa, I beg you to accept us.
Accept him? How can I accept him? Can I deny everything I believe in? On the other hand, can I deny my own child? On the other hand, how can I turn my back on my faith, my people? If I try to bend that far, I will break. On the other hand, there is no other hand. No, Papa. I said no, 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 no!
Two boys, the boys I told you about. Golda, darling, here they are. Wonderful boys, both learned boys, each a prize, a jewel from good families. You couldn't do better for your daughters. From the top of the tree,
I don't know, Yenta. My girls are still so young.
Well, what do they look like, grandfathers? Meanwhile, they'll be engaged. No looking around later, nothing to worry about. The future's all signed and sealed.
Yes, but he's inside. Why? Is there something wrong?
Call your father.
Go home. Tell your parents I'll talk to them.
What's going on? Why are you here?
Devya, have you seen the constable today?
No. Why?
Because we thought that you knew him so well, you could tell us what is true and what is not.
Okay.
Someone from Zaladin told me that there is an edict issued in Petrograd that all...
Welcome, Your Honor. What is the good news in the world?
I see you have company.
They are my friends.
This is just as well. For what I have to say is for others is also. Tevye, how much time do you need to sell your house and all your household goods?
But why should I sell my house? Is it in anybody's way?
I've come here to tell you that you're going to have to leave Anatevka.
And how did I come to deserve such an honor?
Not just you, of course, but all of you. I'm sorry, Tevye. At first I thought your daughter Hava, who married.
My daughter is dead.
I understand. At any rate, it affects all of you.
This is always...
But you have to leave.
But this has always been our little corner of the world. Why should we leave now?
I don't know why. There's trouble in the world. Troublemakers.
Oh, like us.
You're not the only ones. Your people must leave all the villages. Sodin, Rabalevka. The whole district must be emptied. I have an order here. It says that you must sell your houses and leave it within 3 days.
And you who have known us all your life, you would carry out this order?
I have nothing to do with this. Don't you understand?
We understand.
And what if we refuse to leave? You'll be forced out.
We will fight to stay in our homes.
Keep our land. Against our army. I wouldn't advise it.
I have some advice for you. Get off my land. This is still my home, my land. Get off my land.
You have 3 days.
After a lifetime. A piece of paper and get thee out.
We should get together with the people of Saladin. Maybe they have a plan.
We should defend ourselves, an eye for an eye, a tooth for a tooth.
Oh, very good. In that way, the whole world will be blind and toothless.
Rabbi, we've been waiting for the Messiah all of our lives. Wouldn't now be a good time for him to show up?
We'll have to wait someplace else. Meanwhile, let's start packing.
Out in 3 days.
I have over 100 bottles of vodka. What will I do with them? Where am I to go with the wife, her parents, and 3 children?